Hey, welcome back to the video. In this video, let's see how we can download Tableau free version. So Tableau is a data visualization tool. By using this tool, we can visually represent our data. We can do lot of analysis of our data visually. We can create a chart. We can create a dashboard. Also, we can create a storybook of our data. So let's see how we can download Tableau free version. To download Tableau free version, just go to your Chrome browser. Here just type tableau.com/public. Here it come. I will give the link in the description. So you are navigated to this page. Here you have the option of download Tableau Public. So when you click that, it prompt you to fill your information for login. So you just need to fill all your information over here. So then it will start download the app. So after downloading this, you will get the installer file. So just go there and click on installation. So after doing all the process, you will get the Tableau Public. So in my system, the Tableau Public is already installed. So this is my Tableau Public of 2024 edition. So when we open that, it will open the software. So let's see. So this is the Tableau Public desktop. So when it open, it looks like this. So how we can connect data? Here we have the many option like Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON file, Microsoft Excel. So these all are the data file types. In my desktop, I have this file that is sample superstore. So I can search over here. So just sample superstore. I have the data. Yeah, this is my data set. I will import that into Tableau. So here it comes as a different sheet. This file has a three sheet, that is order, peoples and return. So if I just click that and drag it over here, it will the Tableau will get the data. So here I can see my data. So it will have the summary of the data, like it's all the field name, like row ID, order date, ship date. So basically this is a sales data. It have the all the segment wise and product wise information of different product, region, all those things, and customer name, segment. So we are using this dataset to introduce for the Tableau. So here we can see that our data source, currently our page is in the data source. When I just click here, it will go to the worksheet. So worksheet is a place where we create our all the visualization. Here I have the another option you can see, that is new dashboard. After creating the chart in this worksheet, we can get that chart into dashboard, and we can create a dashboard and we can create an interactive feature in that dashboard. Another option we have here is the new story. If you find any insights in your data, we can create a story of that particular uh, insights. It's called as the story. So this is a basic interface looks like. Here you have all the options like file and data to import data, and worksheet. You have the many option like action, tooltip, show title, all those things you can do. For data board dashboard also you have the many options. Then story and analysis I will explain while creating a chart and all. So this is a basic introductory video for this Tableau. So I'm briefly explaining all these things, and we can do format, server. So this is the field where we create our dashboard. So just for example, I will create one dashboard. I will create one chart. So you can see, we can observe that for each field there is one visual representation. We can see over here, this represents the data type of that column. So when it ABC, that is in a alphabetic, it shows that the data type of this column is a object data type or string. When it looks like this of a world's picture, it shows that that field represent a location or any address or place. So here you can see country, region and city represented in this logo. So ABCD is basically a string object data type. This calendar structure represents the date data type. And this star symbol represents a numerical field. So here we can see that discount, profit, quantity and sale, all those things are represented in this. So that is numerical data type. And one more thing we can observe that when I keep my cursor here, it show in the a blue color. When I keep my cursor in this numerical data, it shows in a slightly green color. So these all are the categorical data. Whatever we are seeing in blue color, that is all are the categorical data. These are the numerical data. So categorical column or field, we can't perform the arithmetical operation like sum, average, median, all these things. But for the numerical data, we can do perform arithmetical operation, like we can sum of all the sales, we can sum of the profit, like so. So this is a different data types and different data category in Tableau. It automatically categorizes all the categorical data or the object data, then automatically categorize the numerical data also. So this is the column and the row where we just need to drag and drop the column. So I will just show you. So for example, we have the category. I will put the category by just dragging it to category column, category field over here. Then I will take one numerical column and put it over here. It automatically create a chart. So if you want to change the chart, or you can, here you have the option of show me. So it will show all the chart options that are available for this combination. So if you want to change this to vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical, we have the option to transpose. So if I just click here, it will transpose the like data like to this. So if you don't want to see this, just click it over here. So here we can see the basic chart. If you want to increase the size to height or width, you have the option here fit width. So it will change the type. Then if you want to order the data, here we can see the option to order the data. We can order it in ascending or descending order. So if I want to order this in an ascending order or descending order, just need to click over here. It will order the data. Then if you want to see this number over here, so here I taken the profit. So if I just want to see a number on the chart, I just need to take this and put it in the label column or label field over here. Then it will comes over here as a total profit of the technology, total profit of the office supplies and total profit of the furniture. So this field, here we have many options like color, size, label and details and tools tip. I will explain in briefly that colors is represents whenever I put, for example, if I put the sales on color, so it represents the sales. So here we can see the range that 7,19,047 to 8,36,154. So this is the range. So the darkest color represent the highest sales. So this is the sum of sale. I put it in a color. So this chart represents the sales in a color. So here you can see the technology sold, total sum of technology is the highest because that is the darkest. Here we can see the light color of the office supplies and furniture are slightly dark. So we can see the which is the most sold category. So this is the basic of these colors. So likewise I have the option for size. So if you want to see the it is in the as we see in the color, if you want to see it in the size, we can put the sales that sum of sales in the size. So we can see the size of this bar is more and this is little more and this is less. So it represents the sales, sum of sales in the size of the bar. And labor we already explained. If you want to get the number over here, we can put into label. So tooltip is a detail. When I click here, it shows the category, profit and sales. If you want anything extra in this field, in this, you can put it over here. So this is the basic of Tableau. So here we create a chart. After that, if you want to add a new worksheet to create another chart, just here you have the option to new worksheet. Just click over here and it will create one more sheet. Here also you can create your own data chart. After creating 3 to 4 chart, you can create a dashboard. I will explain this in detail in the next video. So you just need to click over here, then you have the option to drag and drop all the sheets of chart you created. Just drag it over here. For now I just created only one chart, so I don't have any other option. So you can increase the size like this of your dashboard, and you can add many other feature for your dashboard for interaction, for uh, any alteration you want, you can create that. So this is how we create a dashboard. Then we have the option to story. Here we can add your caption of your story, what findings you get from your analysis, and you can create that. You can create a story of your insights. You can add a page to that story. So likewise you can do many more things. So this is about this video. In this video we saw how we can download free version of the Tableau and what is the basic interface looks like, how we can create a chart in worksheet, and also we saw about a dashboard. In the next video I will do some chart and dashboard and do some advanced analytics in this using Tableau. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.